Before buying a backup camera, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Pixelman PMD2A-S. Let's kick things off with the Pixelman PMD2A-S backup camera. Priced at $38.29, this is a solid choice for anyone serious about safety. What caught my attention was the 170-degree wide-angle lens, which means you get a comprehensive view of what's behind you when reversing. If you want to enhance your driving safety, this is worth a serious look. The 1080p resolution is a game changer. It provides crystal clear images, allowing you to identify objects or people as far as 30 feet away, which is crucial when you're backing out of tight spots. Plus, this camera has impressive night vision capabilities, so you won't have to worry about reversing in low light conditions. It's also IP69 waterproof, so you can trust it will last through rain or shine. With over 1,000 units sold in just the past month, people are clearly excited about this one. Now, some folks mention that the installation can be a bit tricky, especially if you're not very tech savvy. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, the performance is well worth a little extra effort. It's perfect for anyone looking for a reliable backup camera without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you prioritize clarity and safety while reversing. Skip this one if you prefer a plug-and-play system, as this might require a bit more installation work. Now, if installation concerns with the Pixelman camera bothered you, the next option takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Kameco Backup Camera. The Kameco Vehicle Backup Camera priced at just $10.99. Honestly, this is an incredible budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on features. If you're looking for a straightforward camera to eliminate blind spots, this one is worth a serious look. The 170-degree wide-angle lens and 12 LED night vision capabilities mean you can see everything around your vehicle, even in the dark. This camera is also waterproof, making it a reliable choice in any weather. The installation is pretty straightforward, and with over 1,000 units sold recently, many users are pleased with its performance. People rave about how it gets the job done without fuss. However, some users have pointed out that the image quality isn't as sharp as higher-priced models. But look, for the price, this camera provides great value. If you're looking for something basic and functional, this might be your pick. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable backup camera without spending a lot. Skip this one if you want top-notch image clarity and performance. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those wanting a more comprehensive system. Product number 3, Yimu Backup Camera System. Let's talk about the Yimu Backup Camera System, which retails for $25.99. I was genuinely surprised at how user-friendly this setup is. If you want a camera that's simple to install and offers fantastic visibility, this is worth a serious look. What I love here is the plug-and-play simplicity. You can set it up in just 10 minutes. Plus, the 150-degree wide angle and HD image quality mean you'll have a clear view of everything behind you. It also has adjustable parking guidelines, which can help you back up with confidence. With over 500 units sold recently, it's clear that people appreciate the ease of use and reliability. Now, some reviews mention that the image can be a bit grainy in low light, but here's the thing, if you're primarily using it during the day, this won't be an issue at all. It's an ideal choice for those who want something straightforward without a bunch of complicated features. This is perfect for you if you want a no-fuss installation and reliable performance. Skip this one if you often drive at night or need advanced features. Now, if you want something that combines advanced technology with ease of use, the next camera might just be for you. Product number 4, Nautica Backup Camera. We have the Nautica Backup Front View Camera at $39.99. What stood out to me was its sleek design and robust features. If you're looking for a stylish and functional option, this is worth a serious look. The 135-degree wide-angle lens and HD 600 TVL image sensor provide excellent visibility, making it easy to spot anything you might miss when reversing. The fully sealed housing ensures it stays waterproof, which is crucial if you live in a rainy area. Plus, it has a multifunctional switching loop, which lets you switch between rear and front views. With its compatibility across various vehicles, it's a solid choice for many drivers. Reviews indicate that many find it effective and reliable. That said, a few users mention that the installation can be a bit more complex, especially if you're connecting it to a factory radio. But here's the thing, if you're willing to take the time to set it up properly, the performance is fantastic. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile camera that looks good and works well. Skip it if you're not comfortable with a more involved installation process. All right, that was a strong contender, but if you want something truly innovative, don't miss the next one. Product number 5, AutoVox Solar Wireless. Let's look at the AutoVox Solar Wireless Backup Camera, priced at $129.99. This option is a bit pricier, but honestly, the features are next level. If you want the ultimate convenience and technology, this is worth a serious look. The 2-minute DIY installation is incredible, no wiring needed. Plus, it comes with a 5-inch HD monitor that provides crystal clear images, day or night. The solar-powered battery means you could go for months without worrying about recharging, which is a huge plus for busy people. With a waterproof rating of IP69K, you can trust it will withstand the toughest conditions. Many users rave about its ease of use and reliability. However, a few reviews noted that the wireless signal can sometimes be weak in larger vehicles. But here's the thing. For most cars and smaller SUVs, this camera performs exceptionally well, and the convenience of installation is hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you love tech and need an easy installation. Skip this one if you drive a large vehicle or need a wired connection for consistent performance. In conclusion, we've covered some fantastic options today. From the budget-friendly Kemmecho to the high-tech AutoVox, there's something for everyone depending on your needs and preferences.
To wrap it up, we've seen the Pixelman for clarity, the Cameco for budget, the Yimu for ease of use, the Nautico for style, and the AutoVox for innovation. Each of these backup cameras offers unique benefits, so think about what matters most to you and choose accordingly.